Hey y'all, this is Rach. I want to show you my new funnel. It's how to generate revenue using YouTube. So let me go over it because I know everybody wants to be on YouTube and be an influencer, and my new book will help you do that. So it's discover how to get started generating revenue from YouTube. So discover the exact formula I used to make my first sale using a simple YouTube video, my simple formula to start generating traffic and sales to your business, and I'll show you my blueprint to having your YouTube videos go viral. So grab your book here, enter in your info, and boom, I'm going to send you the book through an email, and hold on while the bonus training gets loaded. And then it takes you to the bonus training, which is here. And then we have for $10, a training course on YouTube. It gives you all that information. Let me show you how that goes. So, all right, let me use the test credit card up here. You're going to get a boatload of training. Okay, then I have some great offers: Facebook training, Instagram training, marketer magic. It's like 17 amazing tools for every online business. Freaking cool. Learn how to do Shopify, Amazon, how to create your own course, partner with Anthony, Advert Suite, video scratchers, which is like a lottery card scratcher, but in video form. Super cool. My new thing, the Done For You Funnel Club, the One Funnel Away Challenge, and Everybody Needs Fiverr. Okay, so take to the access area for the training, put in your email, create a password. You get into the membership area. So here I have two bonuses for you. I only advertise one, but I put two in here. So the first bonus is the proven formula for converting ads on YouTube. It's literally $20,000 worth of training on how to create ads that convert on YouTube by one of the top YouTube experts in the country. Super cool information that is amazing. And then the second one is your YouTube checklist that I created for you that gives you step by step what to do, check it off, make sure you have everything that in order to have the perfect video. So then you get into your organic traffic, which are video lessons on how to set up your YouTube account, set up your channel, film your first video, optimize your videos, video posting schedule, and affiliate business. So when you create videos about products or services and you're an affiliate for them, that is the best way to get your information out there, add your link, and make affiliate commission. And then we get into paid traffic. So here is the master video ads formula: in-stream ads versus keyword ads, and then understanding your results, all the analytic, all the math jargon that you need to understand. So that you get all that training for $10. I think is super cool. It is for a limited time. I am eventually gonna be putting the price up, but I just wanted to show it y'all so you can get in now if you're interested. If you have any questions,